So, how does a Berkey take regular tap water and make it incredibly pure? We're going to break it down.
The secret? It's all about gravity. No plugs, no electricity, just a really smart purification process.
Okay, the real magic is inside these things, the Black Berkey purification elements.
It all boils down to a 3-stage process. We're talking microfiltration, absorption, and adsorption.
All right, first up is microfiltration. Think of this as the bouncer at the door, the first line of defense.
It's a maze of tiny pores. Contaminants get physically blocked and just can't squeeze through.
But what about the really tiny stuff that might slip through? That brings us to stage 2, absorption. You know how baking soda in the fridge just soaks at bad smells? It's kind of like that. It uses an ion exchange to literally grab heavy metal contaminants and pull them right out of the water.
And now for the final stage, adsorption. Yep, with a D, and it's totally different from absorption.
This one works like static cling. Contaminants just stick to the filter's surface and can't get away. So you might be thinking, why not just use pressure and speed the whole thing up? Well, slower is actually better here. Gravity gives the water way more contact time for a much deeper clean.
Okay, so you know how it works, but which Berkey is the right one for your kitchen?
For 1 or 2 people, the travel Berkey is perfect. For bigger families, you'll probably want the royal Berkey. But what about the cost over time? This is where a Berkey really stands out. Get this, just one pair of those black filters can purify 6,000 gallons of water.
With that kind of lifespan, you're looking at clean, purified water for literally pennies a gallon.
It makes you think, right? If you could actually see what was in your water, would you still drink it?